All right, she's in neutral. Let's sure hope she didn't jump off the lift. Okay, so here's the before. So there's the before. How much difference will it be? I mean, it's just a slip-on muffler, so I think it'll be nice, but it's not going to be radical like doing a whole head pipe and then taking out that nasty catalytic converter. But the Harley says there's no tune to do that right now. So if you do that right now, Harley doesn't have a tune. Maybe Vance and Hines has one. I think it's probably early, but I don't know. The moment of truth. First time I've ever heard the 121 motor with a modified exhaust. So here we go. How do we think she's going to sound as we start her up? Hope she's in neutral, because always she goes off neutral. Thank goodness, hopefully.